Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious baked donuts. First, gather your essential ingredients such as all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Next, ensure you have a non-stick donut pan ready. Before you begin mixing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's at the correct temperature when your batter is ready to bake. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the wet ingredients, milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough donuts, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. It's time to bake. Lightly grease your donut pan, then carefully spoon the batter into each cavity, filling them about 2/3 full. Don't overfill, or your donuts might lose their shape. Bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are golden brown and spring back when lightly touched. While they cool slightly, prepare a simple glaze using powdered sugar and a splash of milk. Once your donuts have cooled completely on a wire rack, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Dip each donut into your prepared glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. For extra flair, add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a drizzle of melted chocolate. These baked treats are best enjoyed fresh. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.